Welcome to the third lesson of SmartKnitter, Knit Specification Level 3, focusing on merging multiple panels into one. We will look at this style with multiple panels with different structures combined. Add relevant nodes on the panel. Right-click and select Add Division Line and Point, and set the area to be divided. Then complete the panel shape. Right-click to copy the panel. Right-click on any of the lines from the area you want to retain. Select Go to Panel with this division line to switch to that panel section. Use the same method to prepare the sleeve panel. Proceed to set the relevant dimensions and edit the knitting rules as usual. We can look at another style. This is a skirt with multiple panels. This style can also be done using this method. This marks the end of this class. Thank you for watching.